Well guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to submit a ticket on Valorant. This tutorial will be quick and simple. Just make sure to subscribe to this channel and leave a like on this video if you will find this guide useful. So what you want to do is go ahead on your browser, and on your browser you want to write down Valorant support and go to this page. On this page you will need to go ahead and sign in order to submit a ticket. So go ahead and sign into your Riot Games account. After you have signed in, you want to click at the top, submit a ticket. And from here, you can submit a request with all of these issues like reporting a player, billing, technical issues like install patch lag or crashes. And for example, if you are having some errors, you can go ahead and choose this one. And then you're gonna choose some platforms, and for example Vanguard technical issue, and you have all of these error codes which you can go ahead and choose, and that's pretty much it. After that you're going to click submit after you fill that out. If this video was helpful, make sure to subscribe and I will see you next time. Bye.